Hello everyone. We had started the chapter number 3 in maths. So now we are going to continue the chapter. We had done till exercise 3rd A on page number 51. I had given you homework this exercise and these story sums that you have to do in the notebook. I hope you all had done. If you had any doubt, you can ask me in meeting. Now, on the next page, the topic is number families. Page number 52, number families. Use the same numbers to build different connections. हम सेम नंबर का यूज करके अलग अलग कनेक्शंस बना सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज गिवन 40 प्लस 30 इज इक्वल टू 70. Second, we can write any number first or second, that 40 plus 30, and secondly we had written 30 plus 40. Both are same. If we will write first 30, then also it's okay, and if we will write 40, then also it's okay. So the answer will be the same. Now here minus. Then how will we do minus? 70 minus 40 is equal to 30. And here we had done 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. So this is the difference. In addition, we can write any number first, but whenever we are doing subtraction, we have to write first the bigger number, and afterwards whatever we are writing the second number, the smaller number we have to write, the answer will come accordingly. If we had written 70 minus 40, then answer will be 30, and if we had written 70 minus 30, the answer will be 40. The same here, you have to do all these three. I am explaining here. For example, second 52. See, here are three numbers are given: 52, 32 and 20. Now how will we write here? I am trying to write here. You all write in good writing. Don't write like me. Okay, here we are writing 20 plus 32. So what will be the answer? The answer is 52. Okay, so this is the answer, 52. Same here, we can write again 32 plus 20 is equal to 52. Okay, now 20, 32 and 52. For subtraction, what will we write? Whatever the bigger number is there, that we will write first, because for subtraction we have to write first bigger number. So here we will write 52. First of all, we will take one number 32. Okay, then what will be the answer? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So answer will be 20. And here again we have to write 52 minus, now which number we will write? Here we will write 20, and the answer will be 32. See, I had written this number, but I can't write properly here. You have to write properly in your textbook. So you write properly in the textbook. Do your work neat and clean. Don't write like me, okay? Because I am using this brush and I can't write properly with this brush. Okay? Now rest of these two examples, these two numbers you have to write. Like here the answer is given, so you have to write the number here in the blank, and here everything you have to write from these numbers. You try by yourself. Afterward I will send the answer. Okay. Now regrouping. Regrouping tends to ones. So here sometimes when you subtract, you may not have enough ones. You may have to regroup 1 to 10 ones. So as I told you in the class also, if you want something, if you don't have, then you will borrow from someone. Like this, if there are not enough ones, we will borrow from tens. For example, 2 and 3 are two numbers are there. So if 3 needs something, so he will borrow from 2. So here we will write, cut 3 and we will write here 13, and here we will write the before number. Okay, whatever the number is there, here we will write before number. And first, whenever we are cutting, we will add 10 in that number and we will write here 13. Okay, so here regroup the tens. Here are given. The example is here 40. So if 0 is there, we will cut here and we will write here 10, and 4 we will cut 4 and we will write the one number before. So we will write here 3. Like these two examples are there. You can do by yourself. It's very easy. Now same here, regroup the hundreds. That we will see here first. Whenever we are regrouping hundreds to 10, means if we don't have any enough tens, then we will borrow from hundreds. So here the example is given 308. So in the tens place 0 is there, so tens need, and he will borrow from hundreds. So here we will write 10 and here we will write 2, the before number of this number. So like this we can do regrouping 100 to tens. Now coming to the next page. Now we will see subtracting 3-digit numbers. Now all of you can understood the subtraction of 2-digit number easily. Now we will see 3-digit number. Regrouping tens to ones. Here one example is there. Then how we had done the subtraction, that we will see. A television channel shows 573 programs every year. Of these, 256 were not children's programs. How many were children's program? तो एक टेलीविजन चैनल पे टोटल 573 प्रोग्राम्स आते थे और उसमें से 256 वो चिल्ड्रन के प्रोग्राम नहीं थे, मतलब छोटे बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स नहीं थे. तो हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रंस प्रोग्राम, तो चिल्ड्रन प्रोग्राम कितने थे, तो वो अगर हमें देखना है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया है, हमने आगे के चैप्टर में भी देखा है कि हमें प्रॉब्लम सम्स को पहले अच्छे से रीड करना है और रीड करने के बाद समझना है कि उसमें क्या क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है और आंसर के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले 573 टोटल चैनल के टोटल शोज थे, जिसमें चैनल के टोटल 573 प्रोग्राम्स थे. उसमें से 256 बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स नहीं थे. हाउ मैनी वेयर चिल्ड्रंस प्रोग्राम, तो बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स कितने थे वो अगर हमें ढूंढना है. एंड टोटल में से इतने नहीं थे, उसका मतलब कि हमें उसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. आपको हमेशा ये याद रखना है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमें बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट यानी कि माइनस करना है. So like this we have to write 573 minus 256. Then whatever the answer is that we will see. Now here we will write like this: 573 minus 256. So now, as I told, we have to start addition, subtraction, whatever we are doing. From where we have to start? We have to start from ones place. So first of all we will start from ones place. We will see 3 minus 6. Is it possible for us? 3 minus 6 can we do? So we have to regroup that. Means we will cut here and we will write here 13, and then we had borrowed from tens place, so we will cut tens place also and we will write one before number. Here is 7. Whenever we are cutting it, the 6 is the before number of 7. So 13 minus 7, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Okay, so this is, we had done that. We have to first of all start from ones place. Now we will go on tens place. So here we had cut, and which number is here? 6. So we will do 6 minus 5, that we can do. So we don't need to borrow any number from hundreds. So we can do 6 minus 5. The answer is 1. Now we will subtract hundreds. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. So this is the answer, 317. We have to write the answer. 317 programs were children. 317 programs were for children. So like this we have to calculate the 3-digit number and regrouping tens to ones. Second example is also given here, that you can see here that first of all we have to see 875 minus 346. So we will start from the ones place. 5 minus 6, can we do? No. So we have to carry from tens place. Here we will write 15 and here we will write the before number 6. So like this, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Then here at tens place, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 529. So we had done this, that regrouping tens to ones. We will do only this topic only for this, because you need the practice for this. You just read these pages and you do practice for these sums, and we will continue the next topic in the next period. Okay. So I think all of you understood about this, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in meeting. Thank you and have a nice day.